Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate my intention thoroughly with examples and deep analysis of how my intentions could progress in the future. On my first day at VX Lab, I experimented with Looking Glass, a tool that allowed me to create a digital world where I could navigate between locations using hand gestures. However, after the initial experience, I decided to shift to Mocapz project based on case suggestions. I realized that executing my original vision within the given time frame would be more challenging than expected. After observing Team Mocapz, who were exploring the concept using the Rococo motion capture system to connect the physical and digital worlds, I became fascinated by their approach. This innovative project enables users to interact with the dynamic, responsive soundscape through body and hand movements. Their goal is to create an immersive experience where gestures directly influence both sound and visuals, seamlessly blending reality with the virtual world. Alexander's digital body has been a significant influence as it illustrates the interaction between the human body and digital space. His work stood out to me for its ability to highlight the expressive possibilities of movement within virtual environments. The fluidity and nuance of his approach align with my goal of seamlessly merging the physical and digital realms, though my focus places greater emphasis on sound. Another major inspiration comes from Nguyen M. and Claire B. work called Equinox, whose interactive installations explore how the body shapes its surrounding through real-time movement and gestures. Their use of motion capture and project mapping in live performance, like Equinox, guided my decision to integrate motion capture with Unreal Engine 5 to create dynamic, real-time feedback. Additionally, I drew insights from Team Lab's immersive installations, which dissolve the boundary between physical and digital space. There are three crucial examples from our work that respond to our intention perfectly. The first one is gesture-based interaction. Our project is designed to create an immersive system where body movements directly influence sound and visuals. As outlined in my intention post, gestures like waving hands or raising an arm trigger specific environment responses, such as changes in lighting or sound effects. This interaction is fundamental to the experience, making gestures the driving force behind the system. The second one will be invisible body presence. The project emphasizes the presence of the user's body without visually representing it. Instead of showing the physical form, it tracks gestures and provides visual feedback, reinforcing the perception of bodily presence in the digital space. This aligns with our goal of exploring how movement can shape and transform the surrounding environment. Last but not least, we have unrestricted interaction. The experience is intentionally open-ended, allowing users to explore freely without rigid guidelines. Rather than following specific instructions, the system reacts naturally to movement, creating an intuitive and dynamic interaction. This freedom fosters creatively and perfectly aligns with our original vision of enabling users to influence sound and visuals in real time. At the start, we faced challenges due to our limited experience with motion capture and Unreal Engine. We spent 3 days learning the fundamentals and developing contingency plans for particle effects and software constraints. Given that our PC struggled with handling a high volume of particles and complex textures, we adapted by employing simple colors and a minimalist aesthetic. I chose to specialize in particle effects and visual design because of my strong appreciation for visual details. Additionally, I find the mechanics of particles in 3D space captivating, making this an excellent opportunity to refine my skills in particle creation. Our project's concept is reflected in the way particle sizes change in response to the speed of our hand or knee movements. I believe that future advancement in this project could involve enhancing interactivity by integrating additional sensory feedback, such as haptics responses, to complement both visual and auditory elements. This would further blur the boundary between the physical and digital worlds, creating a more immersive experience. Moreover, AI-driven features could be incorporated to enable the system to learn from users' gestures, making feedback increasingly personalized over time. Regarding its alignment with STEM-related applications, this prototype has potential uses across various fields, including motion tracking for physical rehabilitation, interactive learning through body movement, and gesture-based control for teamwork in digital space. The real-time interaction with visual and sound could also be valuable for training environments, where users engage with virtual scenarios enriched by sensory feedback to enhance learning. The system could also adapt it to support individuals with disabilities, particularly those with blindness or deafness. Overall, I think this project has been a great opportunity for me to discover something new for me and meet new people with different creative visions. I cannot wait to progress this project even further. Thank you for listening, and as always, have a great day.